question that we've been asked is how do you navigate, within the iPhone app? Now it's pretty easy. Like, when you load clients, you can actually move to a matter right from the client. Like, for example, if I go into this client, what I can do is obviously I can make phone calls and other things from the clients or make some references. Analytics is available right here, but this briefcase icon is very important. When you click on it, it immediately goes and loads all the matters that are there for this client. So rather than going to the matters screen, finding the client, you can always go to the contact, click on the briefcase, and here you go, all the matters are there, and you can just click on this matter and you will be navigated right into the matter. Now the information tab is where you can dock it. The events are here, so you can just scroll and see the event. The additional parties are here. You can make phone calls directly from the additional parties. Your rates are all here. So that's the matter information. Now I could have come here right from here too. I could have gone to the matter. Obviously it'll load all the clients who are having the matter. You need to choose them, and then you would get the corresponding matter to navigate from. So right, like you could do that way. Now I generally prefer the client-based navigation. But here, as you saw in the matter, I clicked on the A1 fill. I went to Andy Smith. Now it'll load up Andy Smith, and there it is. Andy versus this and under contest. And you can go to any other Ben Franklin, and there you go. There's one, and once you click on it, you can navigate. So navigation can be done from the client. Navigation can be done within the matter. These are two ways into which you can get to the matter. So don't forget, when you're in the client, you can always click on the briefcase icon, right, which comes right at the bottom, and that will take you to the matters for that client, and then you can just navigate from there. So we can now import dockets that you have, telephone conversations. You can create dockets, so you can do all that stuff right from your mobile phone. Analytics is always available, but we've added a lot more features.